everyone, I just wanted to say, one, if you haven't already seen the Roommate Wars video that I did last year for Halloween, you need to go watch that. I'm gonna have the link to it in the description box. Second, I'm gonna have a whole blooper video on my second channel, so you're gonna wanna watch that. I'm not sure when it's going up, but it should be up soon. I just wanna say, I hope that you love this video. Ashley and I worked so freaking hard on it, and I really love it. It does get a little scary at the end, but just, yeah. Anyways, enjoy! Need help? What? Oh, no, I'm fine. What are you supposed to be anyways?
Huh?
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, I wanted to be original this year and not just do basic costumes like a bunny.
I was a dust bunny, okay? Honestly, whatever, I'm kind of over it. I'm just not in the mood to do much Halloween stuff this year. I don't know, last year really freaked me out.
Oh, stop, it was just a balloon. We've been over this. You shouldn't have watched that clown movie. Come on, we always go all out for Halloween. Well, you know, that's fine. That's fine. My DIY Halloween costumes would have done better than yours anyways.
Oh, please.
Sorry, gotta edit. Can't disappoint the fans. Let me know if you change your mind.
Yeah.
I knew you couldn't resist. Could you be a dear and press record for me? Oh, it's going down. That was weird. Nice costume.
Thanks.
Oh, I was kidding. That's actually a costume.
Hey guys, I've been loving the Shake It Off Weight Loss Shake. All you need to do is drink one and you lose all your weight in one day. Use code Alisha for 10% off.
That's pretty basic if you ask me.
Jeffree Star?
Close. Ooh, good morning, you beautiful, beautiful peasants. What are you wanting today? I know, you want the tea, but you can't. I done drank it all.
The secret world of Jeffree Star? Dang it, that's good.
Andrew, are you getting this? Oh. my merch. Also, new merch just dropped on Amazon.com/Shane. Go check it out. Ooh, what's happening over here? Secret world of Alisha. I'm shook. Elastigirl doesn't have a belt like that. Hey, could you get a boomerang of me?
Yeah, sure. What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? What does it look like I'm doing?
I don't know what you're doing.
I'm a boomerang!
That's good. Boomerang over there.
Kim K.
Close. Kim K. Easy campaign.
Cute. I don't know if you heard, but Jessica is having a Halloween party on Friday, so obviously I decided to have a Halloween party on Friday. Tell your friends, it's gonna be lit. I'm gonna be shopping for it tonight. Could you warn the neighbors? I don't want any noise complaints. It might get a little loud. I feel like normally I'm the one saying word.
Hey.
Hi. Did you see? Twitter.
No, I've been editing.
Everywhere. It's everywhere. My video, it went viral.
What?
Shane responded. He did a reaction video. It's everywhere. Go, look on Twitter. I just really feel like I've harnessed his character. I just
saw the video. Ashley pretending to be me, pretending to be Jeffree Star.
said he was shook. And that's
A little
his win was
confusing.
snatched.
But I was shook.
I'm a mess.
And wigless.
I mean, I can't.
And buy my merch. It's Prime, just in time for Halloween.
Okay, alright, okay. I'll see you later. Bye.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, what's up? So I just realized how late it is and I actually never ended my vlog, so I just wanted to come on here and say hey, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new one. Okay, love you guys. Bye. Freaking cute, oh my god. Hey guys, what's up? So I just realized how late it is and I actually never ended my vlog, so I just wanted to come on here and say hey, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new one. Love you guys. Bye. Where? Love you guys. Bye. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? So I just realized how late it is and I actually never ended my vlog, so I just wanted to come on here and say hey, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new one. Okay, love you guys.